Sean O'Heron here with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today I'm going to walk you through this beautiful Galeon 2020 550 Flybridge. Starting out, we're on a nice hydraulic platform with a teak inlay. You can use it for your dinghy, or you can use it just to get wet in the water and come in and out of the boat easily. From the platform, there's easy quick access to the crew quarters, which also goes into the engine room. Crew quarters has got a wet head, so you can use that when you're coming in and out of the water and not have to go through the boat first. Walking up to the aft deck, the teak continues everywhere, so it's nice and soft on your feet, good grip. Nice big cleats on this boat to tie up from the aft, and you'll see that follows throughout the whole boat. In the aft deck area, we have this nice folding table. It folds out, so many more people can be entertained back here. This boat is equipped, I want to point out one fun feature, with a Marine aft-facing camera. So when you're at either upper or lower helm, you'll be able to see behind you even more clearly. Right now, we have the cabin in full open mode, and all the doors are open, so you can get to the galley very conveniently. And if guests are coming in and out, the doors are wide open. Let me take you upstairs to the Flybridge and show you the view from up there. As we get up to the Flybridge, you'll notice all the natural light coming in. That's because we have the sunshade open. We can close that sunshade if you want to be in the shade, but taking advantage of this nice Flybridge on a day like today, that sun pad could be utilized even better with that sunshade open. You'll see at the Helm station, it's got everything you need for the redundancy, for the electronics, for the bow and stern thruster, fusion stereo, everything you need to pilot the boat from up here, so the captain can be a part of the fun up here and get a beautiful view. Over to port, you have a nice wet bar. That wet bar has got a nice electric grill, ice maker, sink, refrigerator, everything you need so nobody up here has to go back downstairs to the galley. Let's go back downstairs and take a run through the salon. You can see, wide open again, nice easy entrance into the salon. No step up, that's a big important thing. You know, nowhere to trip as you're coming in from the aft deck into the salon. You can see the galley is conveniently placed aft. That's a more modern feature in boats today. That way people can use it from the aft deck and also still use it from the main salon too. So it's nicely centered, nice convenient location. In the galley, you got everything you need from the convection oven, 2-burner stove, and the sink's got a nice feature. It's got a nice cutting board on top. Stays right there, easy area to do prep work. Entertainment system has a nice pop-up TV that easily goes down so you can take advantage of the natural light coming in. This dining room table does have a secondary feature, and it does go down. There is a cushion here, so whether you just want to lounge or put your feet up while you're watching TV. Here's the lower helm. Lower helm again has all the electronics you need, Marine. It's got your Volvo Penta gauges here. This boat is equipped with a Seakeeper. It's going to keep her stable while you're out at anchor, under or underway. And this boat has bow and stern thruster, so it makes docking very easy. Not only with the visibility that I have from aft to bow, but also a bow and a stern thruster for those minor adjustments while you're docking. Let's continue on down into the stateroom. This is a 3-stateroom layout boat. It gives plenty of room for family. As we enter into the forward VIP, you'll notice another signature feature of modern day boats, which is a lot of natural light. Here's our other guest stateroom right here. 2 separate beds as it's set up right now, but it can go into 1 bed if there's a couple that want to use that room. Continuing on into the master stateroom, it's a full beam master stateroom. Plenty of headroom as you come in. And again, natural light. Another nice feature this one has, it's got a nice, what can be used as a desk and also a vanity. And it's a nice sitting area, so you don't have to get up and entertain the guests right away. You can sit and do some work or get ready and still have your privacy as an owner. Plenty of space in this boat. Here is the master ensuite. Master ensuite has a separate shower also. Coming back up to the salon, you can see from the staterooms looking aft how open it is. If you would like more information about this new 2020 Galeon 550 Fly or any of our other yachts, please contact Sean O'Heron, MarineMax Pompano Beach, 772-919-2227.